In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add logo on Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage the main settings and design elements for your store. Once you are signed in, look at the menu on the left side and go to Online Store, then select Themes. This area lets you control how your storefront looks, including your homepage, colors, layout, and branding. Inside the Themes page, find your active theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor where you can make visual changes and see them update in real time. It is the easiest place to add and adjust your store logo without editing any code. When the theme editor opens, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on the header section. The header is the top area of your store, and this is usually where your logo appears. In the header settings, look for the logo image block, then click Select Image. At this point, you can upload your logo file from your computer or choose one that is already in your Shopify library. If you are uploading a new file, make sure it is clear and high quality so it looks sharp on your storefront. After selecting the image, click Done to confirm your choice. Next, adjust the desktop logo width slider. This setting helps you control how large or small the logo appears in your store header. Try to choose a size that looks balanced and does not crowd the navigation menu or other header elements. A logo that is too large can make the header feel cluttered, while one that is too small may not be easy for visitors to notice. Once everything looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Save. This applies the change to your live theme so customers can see your updated branding. If you want the best visual result, take a moment to review the header after saving and make sure the logo fits neatly and looks professional. A clean, properly sized logo helps strengthen your brand and gives your Shopify store a more polished appearance. That covers everything you need to know.